Because really, I think it comes down to the belief, because the belief really impacts how you think about something and how you emotionally attach to something. So if I believe that this is what's needed, which I do, and you can hear the but, right? It's like, I do mostly, and then actually completely embrace that I believe it's needed and literally allow it to be that. So if I take it back to my walk,
it's
I
your next
just need
step.
to walk longer.
You never get rid of that doubt completely. But the more steps you put in front of one another, the more practice, the more confidence you'll gain, the more confident and competent you'll feel in being able to deliver, and that belief will come with it.